Okay, real estate agents and brokers. Building your 2025 listing agent business plan using AI-powered automation. This video is going to outline the comprehensive strategy for real estate agents and brokers to develop a successful business plan for 2025 using AI-powered automation. We're going to cover setting income goals, calculating gross commission income, determining the number of homes to sell, leveraging AI for client acquisition, automating lead engagement and appointments, and converting those appointments into listings. The focus is on working smarter with automation to achieve income goals and dominate the real estate market in 2025. Okay, so introduction to real estate business planning. So are you ready to break free from the feast or famine cycle and build a bulletproof listing agent business for 2025? What if I told you that success isn't just about working harder? It's about working smarter with automation. In this video, I'll show you how to develop a game-changing business plan that leverages AI-powered infrastructure to scale your listings, automate your client acquisition, and help you achieve your income goals without the consistent grind. Ready to dominate 2025? Well, let's dive in. Setting your income goals. The first step to a successful business plan is knowing your net income goal. Not just how much you want to make, but what you want to keep after taxes, broker fees, and expenses. This number forms the foundation for your entire strategy. But here's where we flip the game. Instead of relying on manual work to meet your income targets, imagine having an AI-driven infrastructure that brings in leads, books appointments, and even nurtures prospects for you. By automating core processes, you get the power to hit your targets without constantly working overtime. So calculate your net income goal and let's automate your way there. Set net income goal. Determine your desired income after taxes, fees, and expenses. Leverage AI infrastructure, so you'll use AI to automate your lead generation, appointment booking, and prospect nurturing. Achieve targets effectively, efficiently. Hit your target goals without constant overtime work. Calculating your gross commission income. Next up, we need to figure out your gross commission income. Your top line revenue before expenses, right? So once you have that, you'll know exactly how much business you need to generate. But here's where AI infrastructure changes the game. Instead of manually calculating how much commission you need or where it comes from, our system does the heavy lifting. We're talking about automated lead tracking, client follow-ups, and even projections on how many leads will convert, all delivered in real time, so you're never guessing. This means you'll know exactly how much revenue is coming in and how close you are to hitting the net income goal. Calculating your commission. So determine your top line revenue before expenses. Implement AI tracking. Use automated lead tracking and client follow-ups. Real-time projections, so get instant projections on lead conversions and revenue, and monitor your goal progress. Track how close you are to hitting your net income goal. Determining the number of homes to sell. So once you have your income numbers down, it's time to calculate how many homes you need to sell to hit those targets. This is often where agents get bogged down, scrambling to find enough homes to sell through manual methods. But here's the thing. Without AI infrastructure, you can automate lead generation 24/7, so you're always building a pipeline. No more guessing, okay? So with AI, you can consistently fill that gap with fresh, high-quality leads, whether it's 15 homes, 42, 125. Our system keeps that pipeline full, booking appointments and nurturing relationships even while you sleep. The power of AI in client acquisition. So here's where we really get into the meat of things. Client acquisition. For most agents, client acquisition is the hardest part. The cold calling, networking, chasing down every lead. But imagine a world where your leads are generated automatically. vetted, and scheduled for appointments without you lifting a finger. That's what our AI-powered infrastructure delivers. It handles the entire client acquisition model for you, leveraging predictive analytics to target high-value leads, automatically sending personalized emails, SMS messages, and even making phone calls through an AI booking agent. You'll have a consistent stream of qualified prospects ready to convert into listings. How much time would that save you? A lot, right? Automating the lead engagement and appointment. So generating leads is only half the battle. Engaging them effectively is where the magic happens. With our AI system, every lead receives personalized follow-ups, appointment reminders, and nurturing sequences without you having to do anything. Whether it's social media, email, or direct phone calls, our automated agents handle it all. Imagine knowing that your calendar is full of qualified listing appointments while your AI system works in the background to keep everything running smoothly. No more missed opportunities, no more manual follow-ups, just seamless engagement from start to finish. Converting appointments into listings with AI. So once those appointments are set, the next step is converting them into actual listings. This is where most agents face a bottleneck, but not with our AI. Our system ensures that every prospect is nurtured throughout the journey, so when you show up, they're already sold on working with you. It's just not about meeting people at their homes anymore. Our AI infrastructure preps every lead, follows up, post-meeting, and even helps with paperwork and next steps. This way, your conversions go up and your workload goes down. Embracing AI infrastructure for 2025 and beyond. The real question is, why wouldn't you want this system working for you? In 2025, successful real estate agents won't just be the ones who work hard. They'll be the ones who embraced automation to work smarter. AI is transforming industries. The real estate is no exception. With AI handling your lead generation, your appointment setting, and client engagement, you'll have the freedom to focus on what really matters within your business, growing your business and closing more deals. Plus, imagine the peace of mind knowing your business is running 24/7, whether you're in the office or out of the office, whether you're away for the weekend, whether you're on holiday. Okay, so the time is now. You need to act now. Join the future of real estate. This is where it's going, guys, okay? If you're ready to leave the old manual processes behind and step into the future of real estate, I've got something special for you. I've got my contact details below. There's email. You can DM me. You can even ring me. Let's schedule a free consultation and we'll show you how our AI infrastructures can boost your listings, streamline your appointments, and make 2025 your breakthrough year. Don't wait for success. Automate it. Join the real estate revolution with AI-powered system, and let's make 2025 the best year yet. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, again, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, drop your questions in the comments. I'm here to help you automate your success and scale your business like never before. Let's crush 2025 together. See you on the next one.